So, student, now I'm taking the question to clarify the concept how we will find the slope of the straight line when the line is passing through two given points. So the question is find the slope of straight line joining the midpoints of two line segments AB and CD, where the coordinate of A is given -2, -1, the coordinate of B is given 4, 6, coordinate of C is 7, 3, and coordinate of D is -3, 5. So to discuss this question, so student, before solving the question, first of all we will draw the figure. So these are two line segments AB and CD. You have to find out the slope of the straight line joining the midpoint of these two line segments, means the midpoint of AB and the midpoint of CD. This is, so when you join these two points, we will get a straight line. Suppose this as M and this as N. So name of the straight line is MN. So first of all, to get the slope of the line, we will find out the coordinate of the midpoint M, which is the midpoint of AB. So if we take here M and N are midpoints of AB and CD respectively, then using midpoint formula, the coordinate of midpoint M is A is -2, -1, B is 4, 6. So it will be -2 plus 4 upon 2 and -1 plus 6 upon 2, that is the coordinate of M will be 1, 5 upon 2. Now we will find the coordinate of N using the same midpoint formula, because N is the midpoint of CD. So it will be 7 minus 3 upon 2, 3 plus 5 upon 2, and it becomes the coordinate of N is 2, 4. So therefore slope of Mn is, because M is, you have M is 1, 5 upon 2, so the slope will be 4 minus 5 upon 2 upon 2 minus 1. Because of the formula, slope of the line is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So using that formula, you will get here, finally it will be 3 upon 2, and which is the slope of the line. Thank you, and I hope so you will understand the topic slope of a line when the line is inclined with x-axis at an angle psi and when the line is passing through two given points.